Hey guys, today we'll unbox Nike Brasilia Backpack and discuss over its compartment and storage capacity. It can be used for both gymming and traveling purposes. First we'll discuss the last chain. As you can see, there is a compartment over here and it can be used to keep your electronics. You can keep your pens over here for immediate. As you know, charging phone is very essential. You can keep your power bank here and the phone there. There is some extra space in the bag where you can keep your things according to the purpose you are, to the place where you are going to. Like if you're going to a tropical place, you can keep your hat and your sunglasses over here. If you're going to some cold place, then you can keep your mittens and muffler over here. The next chain, you can keep your passport and boarding pass. You can keep the refreshments and drinks over here so that they don't spoil the paperwork over here. You can keep your wallet and other important things in the next chain. If you like reading books when you're traveling, then this chain is perfect for it. In one of the side pockets, there is a key lock in which you can attach your key ring and keep your keys with the key lock inside the pocket and zip it so that your keys are safe. In the other side pocket, you can keep your water bottle, cola, soda or anything you please. Even in the gym, this compartment can remain the same. You can make changes accordingly. In the compartment behind it, you can keep your toiletries bag and a cope. And in the compartment in front, you can keep your change like t-shirt, track pants and a pair of socks. In the next chain, you can keep some packaged powdered drinkables like green tea and coffee. In the next chain's first compartment, you can keep your swimming costume and accessories. In front, there is space for a towel and your wet clothes. With the towel, you can also keep your hand towel. In the gym, you might need some cash, so you can keep your wallet in the next chain. In the last chain, you can keep your shoes in a polythene. You can attach your house keys or vehicle's key in the key lock. You can keep some juice, protein shake or sports drink or water in your side pocket. The bag is cushioned from the back so that it doesn't hurt your back. The bag's capacity is 30 liters. The bag is really lightweight, so it doesn't add up to the weight of the contents in it. There is also space to hold it from your hands. You can also hang it and wear it to the gym.